In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a grid in Affinity. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the View tab up top, and here it's going to say Grid and Axis. You want to click on that, and just to show the basic grid, you want to click on the Show Grid over here, and it's going to show you this basic grid. However, if you are not happy with that because it's just a basic grid, you can also customize it however you want in the following way. You could click on the mode here, which is automatic, as you can see, so this is now the automatic grid. But if you go to basic here, you can go ahead and actually customize it however you want. So you can adjust the spacing however you want it to be. You could also select how many divisions you want, so that's completely up to you. And then here you could go ahead and also set how basically the opacity and how visible you want these grid lines to be. Okay, so all of them can be set here. As you can see, you can adjust that according to your own preference. Now here you can also go to advanced, and this is where the magic takes place, because you can go ahead and select which grid type you would like, and then you could go ahead and pretty much customize it however you want to. This is a bit more advanced setup, so if you need it, you can go over here, or you have the cube type, which will basically allow you to kind of make these 3D grids over here as well. Okay, so that's completely up to you. Likely most of the time you're going to be inside the automatic and the basic grid, but of course the advanced and cube are there in case you need them. Whenever you're ready and you've done whatever you wanted, click on the close tab and your grid is now going to show. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.